Hi guys, you are welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch this video, and if you're new here, you are also very much welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're interested in hair videos, then you are at the right channel. I've got so many other amazing hair videos as well, which I think you will find interesting, so I do advise you check them out. So today I'll be showing you how I make my Moringa hair mask, and this hair mask is really amazing. It's good for your hair, so I'll be showing you how I make mine. I will be using some coconut milk, and I will also be using some moringa. So moringa is really good for your hair. It is very rich in a lot of nutrients and vitamins. As you can see written on the can here, it is rich in vitamin E, vitamin K, some protein, and most of these nutrients are really good for the hair. So reason why we are making this mask. As of the measurement, I actually don't have measurement. I always say use your discretion. Depending on how full and long your hair is, that is how much you will make. In this video, I am making just enough for my daughter's hair because this mask is for her. So I'll take just about enough of what I think will be enough for her hair. And then the next is to add the coconut milk, and I will advise you add, I forgot to mention, I will also be adding some avocado oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. So you could use extra virgin olive oil or any other oil actually. So I'll be adding the milk now, and I advise you add little by little. That way you don't add too much, because there's actually a consistency we're looking for, which I will show you. I don't want it to be too thick and I don't want it to be runny, so I will show you the consistency. So I advise you add little, mix together and see the consistency before adding more. Same with the oil as well, just add what you think will be enough. So after adding all my ingredients, I will mix it to see the consistency, and I think I'm happy with this consistency. You can see that it's not so runny, and at the same time it's not so thick. So this should be the perfect consistency, and now I will be applying this on my daughter's hair. So let me just say, this is a very messy mask because of the color and everything. It stains everywhere, so I would advise you use a towel you really don't care about, and also make sure that you're wearing a clothing that is not, that you don't really care if it's stained or not. It's not like if you wash it, it wouldn't get off, but then it's just better to be safe. So I will go ahead and wet her hair just to make the hair a little bit dampy, because I hate to work on a dry hair. I just like the hair when it's not very wet and it's not dry, so just a bit dampy for easy application. So I apologize for my son in the background. I don't know, for some reason he just wanted to be in this video, and you're going to be seeing him all through the video, so I apologize for that. Anyway, so I'm just spraying her hair like I said, and then I will start the application. And then I just wanted to share something, because I've had like 2 people ask me saying how natural hair is really a difficult journey. How do I manage to actually take care of my daughter's hair and my hair at the same time? And this is what I have to say. Most of the DIYs I share here, or most of the treatment I do for my hair, are child friendly, so I try to look for a routine that is convenient for me, that I can use on my hair and on my daughter's hair as well. That way I don't have to go through or looking for a different treatment or a different kind of routine for her. So most of the time, everything I use are things that I can use on her hair as well. It just makes my life easy. We wash our hair sometimes on the same day, especially if we are treating our hair. So it just makes, so I do a mix and I make for both of us. And I just yeah, do that. It just makes the journey easy. So I'm just sharing this in case you've got kids and you are struggling. Just try to look for a routine, especially if your kids are above 3. Their hair has gotten to the stage where you actually don't need to use kids hair product anymore, because I stopped using kids hair product for my daughter since she turned 2 and her hair is doing so well. If you've been following us, you know her hair has come a long way. It's her hair has really grown. It's fuller, it's longer, it's healthier, and I'm really happy with the journey. So yeah, I just thought I should share, just in case you're out there and you're struggling. I think looking for a routine that is convenient for, or it's good for both of you or you and your kids, will just make the whole journey a lot easier. Anyway, so back to the video. So I've just been applying the mask all over, all the way from the root to the tip of the hair, just to make sure everywhere is well covered with the mask. And then I'm trying to detangle at the same time, separating, just so that it's easier for me to detangle when I get into the shower. And then I like to massage the scalp as well, just to stimulate some circulation, so that to promote growth. I always do this either when I'm moisturizing my hair or her hair, or when I'm washing or treating our hair. I like to massage the scalp because it really helps. So yeah, so everywhere is well covered. Honestly, I'm really impressed with her hair. Her hair has really come a long way. It's really full now, it's really long, and her hair shrinks a lot, so most of the time you don't even see the length of the hair. Yeah, so once I do this, the next stage is to cover the hair and then allow it to sit for half an hour. For myself, I would sit for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, sometimes even longer if I've got nothing to do, or if I'm not in a hurry. I could stay longer than an hour, but a minimum of 45 minutes as an adult. But for a child who wouldn't be that patient, 30 minutes is more than enough. And then yeah, after that, then we will go ahead and wash it. So this is her hair after half an hour. You can see how her curls are already defined. Her hair feels really soft, and yeah, it just feels really amazing. And this is a mask I would recommend because it's really good. We do this once a month or every other month, because sometimes I do some other treatment. So yeah, but if you want to do this treatment, then I advise you do it once a month. So here I am just applying her conditioner. I've already rinsed out the Moringa. I've shampooed the hair, and here I am conditioning the hair. I won't show obviously all the details of how I wash her hair because I already have that video on the channel. So if you want to see it, I will link that in the description box. You can check it out. So I'm just rinsing out her hair, and then I'll go ahead and do her normal moisturizing routine, which is part of her hair routine video. You can see all of that in the video I'll be linking in the description box. So this is her hair, feeling so soft, looking so healthy. So yeah, I have already moisturized her hair. I've applied her leave-in, the curling cream, and some oil as well. So I'm just going to do some protective styling, just to buns, if that's what you will call it. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, I'll just do just 2 braids, just to allow the moisture to just the hair actually to absorb all the moisture, so that the hair can stay moisturized for a longer period. And then, yeah, like I said, I'm so happy with Myra's hair. I'm so happy with her journey and how far her hair has come. So thank you guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've come this far, then please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. I've got a lot of content I think you would find really interesting. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.